Hello!
Uptown Swing, level 1, Maddie, Peter.
So, here's what we did. We did a little circle of power. We did with the right foot. We did rock. Again, we're keeping that. We did rock, step, bam. Rock, step, bam. Ignore her. Rock, step, bam. Rock, step, bam. Let me put the scoots in, remember? Scootly, doodly, doodly, doo. With this one too. Scootly, doodly, doodly, doo. So we just replaced the bam, slow. Wait, this is gonna be a shaky video right now. We just replaced the slow with giggling. The scoot. So, rock, step, scoot. Rock, step, scoot. That's your basic footwork. Boom, boom, How we do it? The leader start left, follower start with the
right.
Nailed it. And we did it here, closed position just like this. And then we did a flip flop. Rock, step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step. We open up. We open up. Nice and easy, not too fast. Now we're going to do this, the yo-yo. Boom, I put my follower front, I go forward and back. Rock, step, triple step. That's what the leaders do. Then you got to do the hands with it. Together, here we go. And hey, okay. Remember, I let my hand move further away in the middle of this one.
I let my hand slide. We need to do.
Then we also did the reverse yo-yo. If you remember, it was a rock step. I go in front, same thing. Okay, right in front, boom. Then we did the rock step. Bam, a shaky, shaky, shaky. And there were varying amounts of shame and commitment to that step. So, we finished up with the Lindy circle. That looks just like this. Rock step, triple step, 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 triple step. Maddie talked about
Staying in place follows for those first 4 counts.
That's right. And really, leaders, you can think of the same idea. We're going to step underneath ourselves and not reach. I'll show you the fancy version. Too reachy. Again, I know that looks awesome, but I'm very advanced. You really want rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Barely getting around in time. You got plenty of time.